I'm Matt Bichard, and I'm here in New York City for REITWeek 2012, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me is Rick Campo, Chairman and CEO of Camden Property Trust. So Rick, with the demand for multifamily units still running high, we've started to see an uptick in development in the sector. Can you talk a little bit about Camdens Pipeline?
Sure, our pipeline is growing. We shut down our pipeline in 2007 like a lot of people did, and we've been ramping up developing legacy properties. We have about $550 million worth of properties under construction now, about 3,000 apartments. And we have a pipeline backlog of another 500 million plus or minus.
And as I mentioned, the sector's been on quite a run, and anytime something is on a run like that, people want to start to predict when the end's coming. Well, what are you seeing in terms of fundamentals that can carry the sector for the next foreseeable future?
Well, the fundamentals in our business are incredible. I mean, they're about as good as they get right now, and I think that the position from a supply and demand perspective is really good. We think it's going to be a long run, not a short run. And when you think about it, we go through cycles, and this cycle has only been going on for a couple of years, and it's probably a 5 or 6 year cycle.
And Camden has been named to Fortune magazine's best companies to work for 5 consecutive years. And obviously that speaks highly to your management style and the culture at the company. How do you think that translates to shareholders?
Well, if you look at the ultimate issue is when you think about a great place to work, it's having people that are just passionate about what they do. And if you have passionate employees, they translate that passion to your customers, and customers stay longer, they pay higher rents, and at the end of the day, you make better returns. When you look at the Fortune 100 best companies to work for, if you bought those stocks at 10 years ago and just kept buying the best companies, your return is about 400 basis points better than if you just bought the S&P 500. So at the end of the day, employees count. I mean, we focus on taking care of our employees first, our customers second, and then ultimately our shareholders will do well.
Thank you so much for joining us, Rick.
Absolutely, thank you.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.